So in first unit, you will study about what is maintenance and importance of maintenance, necessity of maintenance, and what is repair, and what does it mean rehabilitation, and what are all the repair materials we can use, and the assessment procedure for damaged structures, and how we will inspect the physical inspections and by detailed inspections, and also the testing methods which are all available for damaged structures, and also you will learn about the causes of deterioration. The first unit is all about maintenance and repair strategies. What is maintenance? So maintenance, which includes both the preventive and corrective measures to ensure the safety, comfort and functionality of the structures. So generally the activities includes proper inspections and regular monitoring. So the building maintenance, which aims to preserve a safe, functional and a comfortable environment for a people. So at all times, and includes a task such as cleaning, landscaping and electrical system maintenance. So why building maintenance is generally important? So the regular maintenance, which helps to identify and address the structural issues, preventing the deteriorations, and which preserves the overall integrity of our structures. So the timely inspections and repair ensure that the structure remains safe for occupants, and it minimizes the risk of accidents or any failures that occurs due to structural deficiencies. So the maintenance is very important. The inadequate maintenance, which results in degradations and it overall affect the structural integrity. Importance of maintenance. So why the maintenance is important? So which improves the life of our structures and better serviceability, better appearances, and which prevents the major deteriorations and leading to collapse, ensures the safety of occupants, and ensures a feeling of confidence on the user. So the maintenance is a continuous cycle which involves every element of a building, namely structural, electrical wiring, and plumbing, water supply, sanitations, finishes in floors and walls, roof terrace, and service platforms, lifts, doors, windows, and other elements. So the various aspects of inspections. So generally daily routine maintenance, weekly routine maintenance, monthly routine maintenance, and yearly routine maintenance. So daily routine maintenance, so which is basically an inspection oriented and may not contain an action to be taken. So helps in identifying major changes and development of cracks, identifying new cracks, etc. So the inspection of all essential items by visual observation, just by visual observation, inspecting all the essential items, check on proper function of sewers, water lines, and wash basins, sinks, etc. And check on drain pipes from roof during the rainy seasons. So weekly maintenance routines, generally electrical accessories, flushing sewer lines, and leakage of water line, like that. And monthly routine maintenance, so cleaning doors, windows, and checking the septic tank sewers, observation for cracks in the elements, and cleaning of overhead tanks, peeling off plasters, dampness, or floor cracks. So yearly routine maintenance, so attending to a small repair and whitewashing, painting of steel components exposed to weather, and checking of displacement and remedial measures. So generally, why the maintenance is important? So the maintenance is mainly done to prevent the damages which occurs due to natural agencies and to keep them in good appearances and in working conditions. The repair of the defects occurred in the structures and strengthen them if necessary. So the maintenance works are broadly classified as preventive maintenance, remedial maintenance, routine maintenance, special maintenance. So what is preventive maintenance? So by the name itself, we can able to understand the maintenance work done before the defect occurs. So once the defect occurs or before the defect occurs, if we do the maintenance, that kind of maintenance we say it as a preventive maintenance. So it includes a proper inspection, that is the thorough inspection, planning the program of maintenance, and then executing the work. It depends upon the specifications, conditions, and the use of a structure. And the remedial maintenance. So what is remedial maintenance? So it is the maintenance which is done after the defect or any damages occurs in the structure. So it involves how we can do the remedial maintenance. So first we need to find the deterioration. So how the damages and where the damages has occurred, we need to find the deterioration, and then determining the causes. So how does it occurs? We need to determine the causes, and then we need to evaluate the strength of the existing structures and evaluate the need of the structures, and then finally selecting and implementing the repair procedure. So next thing is routine maintenance. So what is routine maintenance? It is the service maintenance attended to the structure periodically. And special maintenance, so it is the work done under some special condition. So the main necessity of doing the maintenance is the structures which get mainly affected and deteriorated maybe due to atmospheric agencies. So it causes the failure of the structures, the normal wear and tear. So atmospheric agencies, when we see about the atmospheric agencies, rain. So the rain, it is an important source of water which affects the structures. And then we can also say the expansion and contractions. So the material is subjected to repetitive expansions and contractions while they become wet and dry, and they develop the stresses. And expansion of water, the variation of temperature which causes the expansion and contraction, absorb water and affect the microstructures of a material. And chemical, so the water available in nature contains, usually the water contains an acids and alkalines and other compounds in dissolved form, so act over the material, so which causes a chemical weathering. And then failure of the structures, how the structures fail, generally improper mix design. So if the mix design is not proper, so the water cement ratios or the ratio of the coarse and fine aggregate, the entire mix design is not proper, it may lead to failure of a structures. And also the insufficient data regarding the use and loading, so and also about the environmental conditions and adequate material, and also the selection of materials and poor detailing. So it also leads to the failure of a structure. So defective constructions, so during the constructions, if the material quality is poor, the workmanship is poor, and also the lack of quality. So what is repair? So the repair, which generally refers to the modification of a structure, partly or wholly, which is damaged. So the stages of repair, there are various stages of repairs which involves. The firstly, the removal of damaged structures, and then pre-treatment of a surface and reinforcement, application of a repair material, and then restoring the integrity of a individual sections and strengthening of a structure as a whole. Removal of a damaged structure. So removal of a damaged structure. So prior to the execution of any repair work, first we need to remove the deteriorated or damaged concrete structures. And then during the removal of defective concrete, we can it can be carried out using a tools or any equipment type. So depends on a type of damages, depth of damages. And then the care should be taken not to the damage the unaffected concrete portions, but also for the cracks and other narrow defect also. Pre-treatment of a surface and reinforcement. So the preparation of a surface, pre-treatment for the repair, which generally involves the following steps. So the complete removal of an unsound material. So the cleaning of all loose materials, oil and dirt of the cavity should be carried out shortly before the repair. So the cleaning generally we can achieve by blowing the compressed air and then hosing with the water or with wire brushing, and then or by combination of things. So application of a repair material. So